This video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Webb Telescope New Tab. This is the browser hijacking extension attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This extension is spread through integration with many free applications, and when people mistakenly install it, this extension changes a lot of crucial browser settings. On one hand, it is a new tab replacer. On the other hand, it also changes the default search engine settings. So when you submit any search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by some other unfamiliar and unwanted search engines. So to fix these issues, you need to access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, select Extensions, then disable this extension and remove this extension completely. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, we recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.